we are good to go. Drivers behind the lines. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
And we're off for our second quarterfinal. And this pits the 4th-ranked team against the 5th-ranked team. And many times they are so closely matched, you're in for a really good match. 49.09 shooting right at the last second. And 11.53 for the Red Alliance doing their thing, shooting in the end. And then our score with the teleoperated period is tied. Now the robots are controlled by the operators for each team behind the glass, behind the walls. And so teams are just going to try to maybe outscore each other. Maybe there'll be defense, maybe there won't. 49.05 for the Red Alliance. Andromeda 1 from Billerica, picking up cargo and shooting it in. They only get 1 out of 2. The upper hub is notable for how many shots don't actually stay in there. And the time spent shooting them could be trouble. 49.05 makes 2 shots. 11.53, Timberwolves make their 2 shots. And the Red Alliance is only ahead by 1. And that was a trade-off right there of 1 red and 1 blue cargo into the upper hub. There's blue, but as you can see, it bounces out. And so defense is starting to be taken here. 49.05 shooting from right below the hub. They get 1 in, 1 out. 17.57, a wonderful shooter. That's on the Blue Alliance. The Wolverines from Westwood High School make their shots. They're short and stout and make those shots. And it looks like 175, Buzz Robotics, is trying to do some defense on the side of the field, but they're also quite a good shooter in their own right. So you may say them to step up for that. It is a 3-point lead for the Blue Alliance. A lot of action going on. Buzz Robotics, 175, is trying to defend against 757. The Wolverines trying to keep their shot. The Wolverines have a low shooter, so they can be blocked. But they also have swerve drive, so they are quite maneuverable, as you can see them on the field. And the climb has already started for the Blue Alliance. 22.62, Robo Panthers, and 49.09, the Bionics, they're already starting up because the game is that close and they're ahead. So the teams might just try to outclimb each other, and at this point, it looks like that's what we're seeing. 11.53, the Timberwolves, they're already up to the traversal, and 49.05 hanging on for dear life makes it to the traversal. The difference could be Buzz on that mid-rung. It is that close. And here come the results of that hard-fought match with lots of scoring. The Red Alliance pulled it off by how much? By 3 points. And you can look at the difference there in the scoring. There were penalty points on the Red Alliance, but in the end it was a 3-point lead. And that you could attribute to Buzz's final climb on that mid-rung, if possible. But this is a wonderful matchup.